In this video, I will demonstrate how to share learning intentions and success criteria with your students and assign a OneNote page through Teams assignment. Firstly, in the teacher-only area, you can create a section for sharing learning intentions and success criteria. In your Learning Intentions tab, you can have different pages. You can include the likes of sticky notes, as demonstrated on the screen. Here is a blank learning intention and success criteria sticky note. I also have a blank task and a blank activity sticky note. I also have created a page with diagram checklists. So the first is the overall diagram checklist, and then the other two on the screen as seen are a review checklist listing the different items that students would need to include in their diagram. You can then create a bank of resources over time that can be shared with your students when assigning homework or classwork. To create a new homework assignment, open up the Homework tab in your content library. Add a new page. Give it a title. Now we can use the Learning Intention sticky note, the blank one. We can copy it across and insert it on the page. Here we can type in what we want our students to learn. We can also include the success criteria. I will then copy across the task and we can list exactly what we want our students to do. Finally, I'm going to include a copy of the student guidelines for drawing diagrams as well as the review list. So here we copy across the guidelines and we paste them onto the page. And we can do the same for the checklist. We can select View and we can change the colour of our page to yellow as it is easier for students to see with a yellow background. Now we just need to type in our learning intention and our success criteria and the task. So as you can see, I've included students will have a deeper understanding of the structure of a volcano and the features of a volcano. The success criteria is clearly identified, stating that students must have a clear sketch and an identifiable diagram of a volcano. I have then included an outline of the task, so students are to sketch a volcano, label each feature of the volcano, follow the diagram guidelines, and complete a review checklist. If you want to make it even clearer for your students, you can select the Draw tool and draw an arrow to the different items. This page is in our homework section in the content library. To assign this as homework, we go to Teams and we go to Assignments. We click Create New Assignment. We give it a title, follow the instructions, and then we attach our OneNote. When we click on Class Notebook, we know that in our content library in the Homework tab, we've created our page, so it'll be clear and easy to identify the page and its diagram of a volcano, and we attach. And we're going to decide what section we want it to go for the students. So this is going to be homework and done, and assign that to our students. In the student area, we will be able to view our assignment. So this is what it looks like for the student. So the student will view the assignment and then they will click on the diagram of a volcano OneNote page. And now the student can see what they have to do. They can sketch their diagram of the volcano into their copy. They can then take a photograph, select Insert, and they can insert a picture then from their camera or from File and upload it onto the page. And once the students have uploaded the work, they can close it and hand it in.